Hey everybody, welcome back. So as you see based on the title, we're just doing a quick little Rage TRYPAN, however you say it, accuracy test review versus field tip. I made this video, more or less the same exact video last year. So that'll be a little more detailed this one where we're just tuning for a season, you know, getting ready. So we're gonna go 30 yards first. I'm gonna do, I don't know, 2 shots with a field tip, just get honed in, get nice and loose, and then we'll do 2 shots with the broadhead and we'll see the comparison. All right, let's get it started. So this is our target, not my dog, of course, that'd be stupid. All right, so yeah, it's going right in this box. It's probably, I don't know, 4x4 inside, if that, 3x3. And we're gonna be shooting over there where Grandma and the baby are. Real quick, we're shooting a Victory V-Force 350 Spine Gamer. Love this arrow. I switched to this from the gold tips. But okay, so for those of you who have never seen a Rage TRYPAN, I don't know if they made focus. I don't know if there's a version 2 of this. Why aren't you focusing? All right, there we go. So this is the Rage TRYPAN. All right, it is a retractable blade, and it does a 2-inch cut diameter, and you have this little plastic piece which breaks when the retractable parts open up. So those are about, I don't know, you get them on Amazon. This is really cheap. I'll put the Amazon link below for these. But let's finally shoot. All right, let's go take a look. I'm gonna tell you right now, that second one, not good, but that first one was absolutely perfect. All right, that is absolutely ridiculous. We're gonna, I'm gonna shoot 2 more before I put on the broadheads. Oh my God. All right, my shot, I don't know what's going on. I need to clearly go to the range more, but I'm trying to get you guys an accurate picture of what this is, but I'm 2 for 4 right now in this stupid square from 30 yards. This is ridiculous. That's why. All right, this was not the intention of this video, but I'm gonna do 2 more, 3 more just to get in there so I can show the accuracy of the TRYPANs. All right, we're more or less in that whole 4x4, 5x5 square. All right, we're gonna put on the TRYPANs and let's see the accuracy and the difference between field tips and a broadhead. All right, broadhead on, here we go. One more. Perfect, let's go check it out. It's always added pressure when your wife's in your ear talking shit when she's recording. All right, so these are better. These are better than my field tips, but let's check them out. Easy enough to say, we got kill shots. We're gonna zoom this in a little more just so you get an idea of it. All right, I don't know how thick this is. Probably like, I don't know, foot, 15 inches, something like that, roughly. And barely penetrated, looks like the blade's deployed. I'll flip this over. This is a way to tell. You got the cut marks right here. Okay, and yeah, they both opened up, sweet. Another thing when you're taking these out, don't pull them back. You wanna push them forward and undo the broadhead. So as you see, we pushed them forward. Then you're gonna not cut yourself. It's gonna take the broadhead off. There you go. Looks good. So now all you're gonna have to do is replace this little plastic piece, and like I said, it's pretty cheap on Amazon. I'll put the link for those below too. So that's the nitty gritty of the Rage TRYPAN. It's super important to tune to your broadheads, and in addition to that, the great thing about this is now I could keep shooting my field tips and I don't need to readjust my sight for anything. So just normal day, normal outing. All right, I'm gonna continue shooting to get my groupings a little better, as you guys saw earlier. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Hunting season is literally right around the corner for us down here in the SoCal area. And until next time, happy hunting. See you guys soon. Peace. I got a beer.